Okay, may game tayo with Kim and Pao, kasama yung fans. Pili tayo ng 8 fans. Ganito lang yan, ililiberate nyo yung sasabihin ni Kim sa kani Pao. Kung sino makahula, merong premyo. Okay, next naman, dito, sa'yo to. What's your name?
Maya.
Maya, si Paolo naman ang mahulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Hello, Melo. Hindi po. Hello, babe.
Hello, babe! Is correct. O, dito naman, sino? What's your name? AJ. Kim? Ready ka na, Kim?
Okay.
Next word. Ready? Go!
Boss Mom Cute!
Yan! Boss Mom Cute! Okay, next. What's your name?
Rosel.
Rosel. Si Paolo huhulaan mo, ha? Ready? Go!
Perfect!
Perfect! Ang bilis! Ah, ito. What's your name?
sa Hello, Melo.
Ano na? Hello, Melo.
Hello, Melo.
Hello ka rin ako dun, be.
Aleli.
Alain, si Kim ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go!
Ikaw lang, sapat na. Ikaw lang, sapat na. Yeah! Ikaw lang, sapat na.
Yan! Ikaw lang, sapat na. Dito sa harap, dito sa harap, dito sa harap. Okay, what's your name?
Juanito!
Juanito!
Juanito.
Si Paolo ang huhulaan mo. Okay, ready? Go! Papakasan mo ako. Meremy! Meremy!
Dapat yes na lang sinagot mo.
Here, sa harap, sa harap. Ate, what's your name?
Noemi.
Noemi, okay. Hulaan mo si Kim. Naku, medyo mahirap-hirap to, Noemi. Go!
Nomo. Nomo, Sarahe.
Yay! And last one. Okay, what's your name?
Basha.
Basha, si Paolo, huhulaan mo. Okay, ready?
Mahirap hulaan.
Medyo mahirap to. Go!
Smack. Quick. Smack. Quick. Smack. Quick. Smack.
Swak, smack, quick, smack. Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam yan.
I know, napakahirap ng phrase na yun.
Team Nation.
Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao, Kim, may hinandang fan video para sa inyo.
Ay, wow.
I know.
Grabe.
Turn your heads dito sa ating screen. Panoorin niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.
Thank you, View and Dreamscape. Franco, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa show namin, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede niyo pa rin mag-binge watch sa View. At maraming salamat din sa Dreamscape and of course, sa aming pinakamamahal na Kim Pao. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Of course, syempre, Kim and Paolo.
Again, thank you. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo malayong pinanggalingan. Salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo at sa pagsuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Habang buhay po namin tatanawin to na pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. So thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat again. Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Squad, Republic, Universe, Kim Nation, Kimchi Global, mga Paolo, Natik, Kim Pao Team Abroad. Sana wala kaming...
Wow, may team abroad pa.
Team Ichu, sa lahat na nandito ngayon. And sa mga nasa taas, again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And nasa baba pala, thank you so much. And MJ, thank you so much.
Of course, Kimmy, Paolo, maraming salamat. Palampakan natin the cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat to Market. Good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye! Bow. Ulit. One more. Kimmy, ready, Kim, ready. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Happy Pride! Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Market. Party!
Mapapanood niyo pa rin po What's Wrong with Secretary Kim every weekends, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m., Saturdays, Sunday, 8 p.m.
Alright, well thank you guys again. Maraming salamat to our partners, ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, CJ E&M, Choco Mucho, Everyday Heaven, Hyundai Innovate Everyday, Grab, subscribe to Grab Unlimited and enjoy discounted Grab car rides and free Grab food delivery every day. Efficacy Oil Extreme, your trusted ginhawa for sleep problems. Bello, get the swift lift with Linear Firm by Bello. At sa ating ground sponsor, Pediasure Plus, trust the pediatrician's most recommended brand for growth. Mag-snack.
MJ, I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to our team. Direk Chad, Direk Paco, thank you Direk.
Closer.
Hindi kami nangangagat.
Ayan, yung bagong kasal daw ay Este, yung bida pala. Grabe!
Tan, tan, tanan.
Thank you, Market. Have a good night. Ingat po kayo. Happy weekend.
Bye!
Thank you, everybody.